This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Sherry Bieckler. Are you ready to own a maintenance-free home near the beach? This end-unit townhome-style condominium offers 2 floors of living space and 2 primary bedrooms with their own baths and walk-in closets. It's recently been updated with beautiful laminate flooring, brand new carpet, and some fresh paint. The HVAC and water heater are only a couple of years old. Cozy up to your fireplace or entertain family and friends on your outdoor enclosed patio after you come back from a day at the beach or at the community pool. This particular home is in the far back of the community, so it offers privacy and peace and quiet. The condo fee covers your water/sewer, trash pickup, pool and ground maintenance. Close to Shore Drive, the Chesapeake Bay beaches, the Oceanfront beaches, shopping, military bases, and more. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below.